So I am just okay. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Vianney and this is Beauty with Yani, and today what we're going to be doing is something I feel like would be very fun. I say that in every video, but I feel like every video is fun in its own way, but something very fun. I feel like it's been a hot minute since I actually sat down and did a little tutorial for you guys. So I did one eye off of camera and we're going to do the other eye together, and I feel like this look was very festive, very fitting for the holidays, especially for New Year's, that everybody wants to be all sparkling and shiny. Since we're bringing in a new decade, I felt like it would be so perfect to actually go all out with the glitter, but not too crazy. Okay, so first things first, concealer I'm going to be using to prime my eyes is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade, I should know you by now, 350 Bisque. It's been a while since I've been on camera, so I don't know if I'm nervous or not nervous, or I don't know. But yes, so you know what, I'm gonna scooch you guys in a little bit, but this is gonna take a little bit because I actually have to move my whole table. Let me put this on just to get the hair out of my face. And like I said, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer to prime my eye. And I'm going to blend that out with my Morphe sponge, and it is a little bit dirty, or quite a bit dirty, because it's the sponge I was doing to do my face earlier. So now I'm just going to set that in with the Photo Focus Press Powder in Natural Beige, this one right here. Just going to set that really quick. So now the palette I'm actually going to be using today is the Tati Beauty palette that looks like this. So to start off the look, I am going to go in with the Morphe M504 fluffy brush right here. And I'm going to go into Matte Soothe, this shade right here. Just blending out Soothe, not too precise or anything in the crease, and blowing it out upwards. And now that Soothe is blended out as much as I want it to be, now I'm going to go into Matte Ritual down here with the Sonia Kashuk large eyeshadow brush, this one right here. I'm just going to pat it in the outer corner. And after it's patted, I am going to blend it out, but still keeping it pretty low. I'm gonna go back into the Morphe M504 brush and just blend out Ritual. Palette's pretty heavy, so I'm just gonna go into a smaller compact. And I don't want Ritual to be too dark. I just want it to have some sort of depth on the outer corner. So that's exactly what I want it to look like. So now what I want to do is go back into the concealer, this little bad boy right here, and I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand to make this easier. And I'm going to go in with a flat brush like this one, and it's just a Morphe brush. It doesn't have any name on it, so I'm just going to go into that brush and get some of the concealer off of the back of my hand. With the concealer on my brush, I'm just going to create a somewhat of a cut crease, not all the way through. So what I like doing is with the shadow brush, just go at the center of the eye, kind of tilt back, see where the natural crease of my eye is, and just swipe it down. And from that, just follow that line. I'm grabbing concealer a little bit at a time because you don't want it to be too much. So now that the concealer is there setting kind of like the cut crease, I'm going to go back into the palette. I'm going to go into Glitter Soothe, this one right here. Just with my finger, grab some on there, just like that. And I'm going to pat it right on top of the concealer. I really should have done my eyes first, but oh well. I really do like these glitters. They like actually stick onto your eye and it's amazing. I haven't had to use these with any sort of glitter glue. As you saw, I just patted it on there. So after the glitter, I am gonna go in with the Sex Kitten eyeliner by Tarte, this one right here, and just create a wing. No promises it'll be in frame because it's not easy for me to be in frame and making a wing liner, but I'll try. Okay, so I don't know how much in frame my wing technique was on there. It's not much of a technique, so I can't promise you it looks great. In my opinion, it doesn't look bad, but I'm no expert, so I don't want to be like, oh, it looks amazing, and everybody being like, it looks gross. So after doing the wing, and I didn't go all the way across because of the glitter, it is very difficult to actually get liner on there, which I should have done the wing liner beforehand, but oh well. So I do want to go in with a little bit more glitter, and this is actually the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in the shade Crystal Silver. Even though Soothe is very much more golden, I do want to go in with silver just to add some little extraness to it. So with the silver glitter, I'm actually just gonna go above the Glitter Soothe and follow that concealer line that we did earlier. After I've done that, I am going to go back into Soothe, but this time with a flat brush, and this is by Wet n Wild. They don't have names, so I'm just going to go in with this and go back into Soothe and just really put it on the outer corner right here in between the silver and the liner. I really should have done this before because I have like glitter everywhere on my face. Okay, so now that I have that done, I am going to go back into the silver liner and just follow the liquid liner at the bottom and just do a slight little line. Heavy, but just to add a little bit more. I know it looks a little bit crazy, but I promise you with everything, once I'm done, it's gonna look better. Now just to tie up everything together and just make it look just right, because with so much going on, the eye is very lacking like with lashes, so I am gonna add some lashes. So the lashes I'm going to be putting on are these right here. These are from Raíces Lashes in the style Sinaloense. I really do love these lashes, and I do have a discount code with them, so I will have that information all down below if you guys are interested. I am gonna go on and put my lash on. I'll be right back because it is a little bit tricky since I do have a lot of glitter on my eyes, so I'll be right back. Hold on. And as you can see, there's still quite a bit of a difference, but I'm going to tell you guys what that is. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of digging this whole like flat hair thing. I was always so against like flat hair, and lately I feel like I'm like living for it. I don't know, I feel like it looks good. What do you guys think? So with a brush, I don't know what brush it is. It's one of the Morphe Copper Collection brushes. I'm gonna go into Story, the matte version of it right here. And I'm just gonna put that on on the, what is this called? I completely blinked out right now. On the under eye. Before completely blending out a story, I am gonna go in with the Italia eyeliner in Espresso. Ahora sí, with that, I'm gonna blend out story on the under eye. And that's just gonna make it a little bit deeper. Last but not least, well, for the eyes, last but not least, I'm gonna go in with some mascara, and this is obviously by Apple, the Super Lash in Avocado. And I'm just gonna get the lower lashes with this. So with the little tiny brush like this one, you're really so cute. I'm gonna go into Aura in the metallic version of it. So I am gonna do the lips now that the eyes are done, what I keep on trying to say. But for the lips, I'm gonna be using the MAC Oak Lip Pencil. So for lipstick, as per usual, it is a liquid lipstick, and this one's from MAC in the shade Burnt Spice. And last but not least, I am going to set the face, and what I'm going to be using is the Agua de la Rosa by Gordita Lashes. This is their rose water. They actually do have the regular one, which is this one, and a glittered one, which leaves the face super pretty, but I couldn't find it, so I'm just going to be using the regular one. I really do need to buy like a little fan besides the one I have back there, but just one to use with my hand. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know down below if you guys liked it or are gonna wear it for New Year's or any other day for that matter. So besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this look right here, and with all that being said, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down there, click that notification bell for me, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.